Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we'll show you how to buy Ecoin using GCash. Now, before we continue, just quick disclaimer. Nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. And with that out of the way, let's get started. And if you want to buy Ecoin using GCash, here's how you do it step by step. First, you want to open your GCash app and log in. On the home screen, you want to tap Load, then choose Non-Telco. Then enter your mobile number and hit Next. On the search bar, just go ahead and type Game Club. From here, scroll down until you find the amount of Ecoin you want. This is what you need if you're playing games like Crossfire or Fiesta Online. Go ahead and select how much Ecoin you want to buy, and once you are decided, just hit Buy Now and you're done. All you have to do is wait for a message from GCash for the code to get your in-game credit. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks!